Hey guys, let me show you how to make a gathers with no stress in a very simple way. Now this is my hand needle which is going to do the magic for me. So make sure you use the bottom of it, the flat part. Press your machine foot like this and use it to hook it. It's a little bit tricky but you are going to like it after the process. Just make sure you hook it with the flat part of the needle, the hand needle. Put the fabric and start stitching. You're going to see the magic now. Just make sure you are careful. Do not let that hand needle to remove. Don't let it remove. Then start stitching. Can you see the magic already? With no stress. Continue stitching. Can you see? Now we are done. Can you see? I'm cutting the thread now. So guys, if you find my tutorial helpful, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel to support my channel. If you have any question pertaining to cutting and sewing, you can join me on my Facebook group, Details to Sewing, created by Akorede Adenike. I'm on Twitter and Instagram at Akorede Adenike. Please show some love by liking and following my page on Facebook at Akorede Adenike Sewing Tutorial. Till I see you in my next video guys. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.